Hey guys, good morning. This is my breakfast, Jollibee spaghetti. Thank you so much to all my friends. They give me Jollibee spaghetti. I really like it. It's yummy. And cold spaghetti. Do you guys like it too? But I need to microwave it because the sauce is not mixed. I love my breakfast. Then this bread, I'm just gonna put it in microwave. My breakfast. Thank you, Lord. Sanctify it. And bread. Carbs. Good.